In this video, I will share with you guys step by step how we made $19,725 in commission just in one single month with affiliate marketing and YouTube. I will share with you guys step by step my methods, my strategies that helped me to earn this commission. This is my affiliate account dashboard, and I made this commission from the first day of this month, of the month of July, until the day 30 of this month. Okay, this is my commissions, this is my clicks, my CTR, people who used my affiliate links to buy those services or products from me, and so on. Okay, so if you are interested to start making some money with affiliate marketing, make sure to watch this video until the end. And if you guys skip one step, this business will be really difficult for you and you can start making commissions like this. Okay, anyway, for people who are interested to start making money with affiliate marketing, step number one is you need to create an affiliate account like this one. Okay, so what you will do, you just need to go to Google and search for Fiverr. Click on the first link, sign up by using your email address. All you have to do is you just need to use your email address, and that's it. After you finish, this will be your home page and you should have an account like this one with Fiverr. It's super easy. So you just need to come to this page and scroll down, keep scrolling down, go to community and click over here on affiliates. Okay, and you will be directly in this Fiverr affiliate website. As you can see, you can check this website, you can get idea about how much you will earn for each service you will promote with Fiverr affiliate. This is the best affiliate marketing business. It's profitable. It's not like other businesses that are paying you just few cents. This one is paying really good commissions, and if people buy these services from your affiliate link, you will earn commission. And if they buy this service again, you will again earn commission for 12 months from just one client. Okay, you will keep earning commissions from just one client if he keeps buying those services from your if he buys a service from your affiliate link from the first time, you will earn commission. And if he keeps buying more services from your affiliate links for the next 12 months, you will keep earning commission from every single service he will buy. Okay, it's really a profitable affiliate marketing business. Okay, anyway, you guys can check this website, you can get more ideas. So just click here on join now and you will be directly to this sign up process page to Fiverr affiliate program. All you have to do is you just need to put your first name here and your last name, your email address and username and password and account type. Make it private. Scroll down. Do you have a main source of traffic? You can say yes or no. You can choose yes or no. Click over here on country, choose your country and choose your language. If you have a Skype account, you can put your Skype account here. If you don't have, that's fine. Just click on next and that's it. You guys can see that the sign up process is it's super easy. Anyone can sign up. All you have to do, you just need to give it few minutes, and there you go. After you finish, this will be your home page and you should have an account like this one with Fiverr affiliates. So this will be your Fiverr affiliate account dashboard. Okay, so all you have to do next is you need to choose good services that you will promote on YouTube to earn commission. You cannot promote any services. You need to choose specific services that people will be interested to buy. Okay, so how we can find good services? What you will do next, you will go back to your YouTube homepage. Open your YouTube homepage. All of you guys have YouTube accounts, so just open your YouTube homepage. Okay, so first, why I choose YouTube? Guys, YouTube has a big number of traffic. You guys can see YouTube has 31 billion monthly visitors. That's really big numbers. Millions of people every single day using YouTube to search for specific services, specific products, specific topics, and so much more. And YouTube is the second largest search engine after Google. Google is number one and YouTube is number two. Okay, anyway, so what you will do, you just need to open your YouTube homepage and you will use YouTube search bar to see what people are searching for. So we will click here on the search of YouTube and we will ask question. For example, I'm gonna ask let's say how to run, and here you go, People are searching, as you can see guys, report search prediction. That's what people are searching for on YouTube right now. Okay, they are searching for how to run Facebook ads, how to run Instagram ads, how to run TikTok ads. Okay, let's make it more specific. How to run, let's say Google ads, for example. And here you go. You guys can see YouTube will give you the topics that people are searching for. Okay, and guys, let's, for example, those people who are searching for how to run Google ads campaign, they have money. Okay, and do you want to run Google ads for their businesses, but they don't know how to do it. Okay, so what you will do is, we will take this topic, for example, how to run Google ads. Okay, we will go back to our Fiverr affiliate, to our Fiverr homepage. Okay, to this homepage on Fiverr, and we will click on the search, and we will search for Google ads. Okay, this one, search for Google ads. I want you to pay attention in this step. So here you go. You will find a lot of sellers here who are providing this service on Fiverr. Okay, so all you have to do guys is you need to choose good sellers. Okay, you need to choose like level 1 seller, top rated sellers, sellers who has a lot of reviews. If people click on your affiliate link, they find those sellers are good sellers, they will buy this service from you and you will earn commission. Okay, so let's scroll down to see if we can find good one. Let's see, like this one is top rated seller, for example. You guys can see this one is top rated seller. He has a lot of reviews, 5-star. I will set up Google ads, AdWords, PPC campaign, search, shopping ad. This one is good, this one is top rated. Okay, so he has experience and he know exactly how to run Google ads for businesses. So I'm gonna choose this one. I will click on his service like this, and you will be directly in his Fiverr profile page. Okay, as you can see guys, like this. So what you need to do next is you just need to copy the link of this seller, copy his profile link. Okay, like this, and go back to your Fiverr affiliate account and click over here. You guys see you have your dashboard, your marketing tools, reports, payments. Click on marketing tools, click on default and deep links, and you will be directly in this page over here. All you have to do, you just need to click on deep link and put the seller profile link here and click on save. And here you go, you just created your first Fiverr affiliate link. All you have to do now is you just need to promote this affiliate link on YouTube. Okay, so before we do that, we will go back to this seller profile page and we will scroll down, go back to this seller profile page. Let me show you, and just scroll down. Okay, let's go back to the seller profile page like I said. And if you guys scroll down, let me show you. Okay, here you can go over here to about this gig and click on more like this and scroll down. Let's see, this is a video of this seller. As you can see guys, you just need to click on his video over here. Click on his video and you will be directly in this page. Let's check his video.
Hi there, I'm Alexa. Welcome to my Fiverr gig. I'm a certified digital marketing expert based in...
So this seller is explaining his service to his customers and how he will help those people to run Google ads for their businesses. So that's really good. So what we will do, double click on the video and we will save this video to our laptops. Okay, save this video. I'm gonna name it Google Ads, for example. Click on save and here you go. All you have to do next is you need to go back to Google and search for Canva like this. Search for Canva, click on the first link, sign up by using your email address. The sign up process is super easy and simple, and after you finish, this will be your home page and you should have an account like this one with Canva. It's for free, of course. So just click here on video. Okay, and you will be directly in this page over here. So all you have to do next is you need to click on upload and click on upload file and upload the video that you download from Fiverr about Google Ads service. Okay, this one. This is my video. Click on open and here you go. Your video will be uploaded to your Canva account like this. Click on your video and your video will be over here. Click on this 3 points and click on set video as background like this. Okay, click over here on text, scroll down, choose which text style you want to use. Just make sure to use a good one that looks easy and simple. For example, like this one, I'm gonna use this one. Just click on the text style that you like, and it will be over here in the front of your video. Click on the second. I'm gonna delete this one and decrease the font size of your text and put your text here. Double click on your text and write this sentence. Check link in my description like this. Okay, and here you go. Click over here on elements. Okay, click on elements and scroll down and choose this one. Go to shapes and choose this one and click over here on color and choose black color and put this shape behind your text like this to make this text looks good. And here you go. So people who will watch this video on YouTube, they will see this. Check link in my description. We will put our affiliate links for those people who are searching for how to run Google Ads campaign for their businesses. Okay, so let me see.
Hi there, I'm Alexa. Welcome to my Fiverr gig.
So that's really good. We will click here on share. After you finish, click on share. Click on download and this video will be downloaded to your laptop. After you finish, go back to your YouTube homepage and you need to create a YouTube channel. It's for free and it's super easy. All you have to do is you just need to use your email address. Okay, after that, upload this video to your YouTube channel and use this title, how to run Google Ads campaign, exactly like this. Just copy and paste. Okay, in your YouTube description you can write this sentence. If you are looking for how to run Google Ads campaign for your business, check out my link below. And what you will do next, you will go back to your Fiverr affiliate account. And for you guys, if you just created your Fiverr affiliate account, you can't see this option, Fiverr CPA old plan, because for me, I have old Fiverr affiliate account. I have been doing this business for almost like 5 years now, and they still have this option. For you, you should see this one. Instead, you have this one, Fiverr Pro new plan. So just copy your affiliate link from here, go back to your YouTube channel and put your affiliate link in your YouTube description and start uploading those videos that people are searching for, and put your affiliate links in your YouTube description and upload a lot of videos. If you guys don't know exactly how to do it, I will leave a link in my description below for a video that I already made explaining to you step by step how you can upload this video to your YouTube channel to avoid copyright issue. Okay, because you need to upload this video as Creative Commons. Okay, I will put a link, guys, like I said, in my description. You can guys check it. We'll explain to you step by step how you can upload this video to your YouTube channel. Okay, and that's it. You guys need to really create a lot of content and try to rank those videos to get views from YouTube search, and you will keep getting a lot of traffic to your affiliate links, and that's how you can make money with affiliate marketing using YouTube. Okay, you will get traffic from YouTube search, and that's it. It's really easy and it's simple, but you need to work hard to stay consistent, and that's it. Okay, if you will guarantee to me that you will work hard and you will post daily on YouTube for like 3-5 months, then I can guarantee you that you will make a lot of commissions with this business. Okay, you guys know what you need to do, and it's up to you. If you will if you will stay consistent or not. If you want to try this business for 1 week or 1 month, just don't, please, because all online businesses takes time. And every business, drop shipping, freelancing, YouTube automation, all those businesses takes time. It doesn't you will not succeed overnight. You will you Because for you guys, you guys want to make money fast. You guys want to start today and start seeing the result tomorrow. And that doesn't work like that. If it's easy like that, then everybody would do it. Like, it's not easy. It's simple. But who will stay consistent? Only few people. Only few people who will go and start taking actions. From those people who will watch this video, just few people. It's just few people who will take action, and few people again who will stay consistent. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching, guys. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comments, and see you in my next videos.